What's up YouTube, Naomi here, and welcome back to my channel. It's been about 3 weeks since I posted any content on my channel, and that's because it just hasn't felt right to be making and posting any beauty content at the moment. We are literally fighting for our lives and fighting for basic human rights, and it just hasn't felt appropriate to come on here and post happy-go-lucky, watch me do my hair type videos. I do realize, however, that this type of content is really uplifting and it's helpful during a time like this where everyone is just sad or depressed, and I don't use that term lightly. So content like this is helpful. It's been helpful to me watching my favorite YouTubers and other videos just to kind of get a smile on my face. So I thought I would come on here and make another mask video. So I have had my hair in the same braided ponytail for about 4 or 5 days. Can't really remember. It's not the point. The point is my hair is super dry and frizzy and unmoisturized, and it just doesn't look too healthy right now. So I am going to go and make the mask, and then I'll be right back. Alright, now that I have my mask made, I am going to apply it to my hair. To make my mask, I used mayo that was infused with olive oil, an egg for some extra protein, I used some rosemary oil that helps to stimulate hair growth, and then some lavender oil to help mask the smell of the mayo mask, because it honestly is not the best smelling thing in the world. The benefits of doing a mayo mask for your hair is that it adds a lot of shine, it strengthens your hair from the root to the tip, and it is also very high in protein, which helps to thicken your hair follicles. Mayo helps to naturally balance the moisture in your hair, therefore reducing the amount of frizz that your hair will have. So I'm gonna let the mask sit in my hair for about 20 minutes. You can leave it in longer if you would like. And then I'm gonna rinse my hair and then shampoo. And then once I do that, I am going in with my Mayonnaise Organics Babasu and Mint Deep Conditioner. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly. This treatment is really good for protein as well as moisture. So I figure I would just double up on the protein and moisture, considering the mayo mask is going to provide the same thing. I just want to make sure I get the best results possible. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna let this sit and then I'll be back to show you guys the results. Alright, so I'm back. I actually let the treatment sit in my hair longer than I had originally planned to. I got distracted, but that's okay. It just worked longer. So now I have freshly washed hair. I actually shampooed my hair twice, and then I deep conditioned with the Mayonnaise Organics deep conditioner that I had previously shown. And now I am about to just take my hair down. So you guys are getting the first reveal of what my hair is actually looking like. And this is what my hair looks like fresh off the shower. Absolutely no product in it. It is so shiny and it is very, very soft. This is what my hair looks like from the back. Here, I've added my Not Your Mother's Naturals coconut milk and African marula tree oil all over my hair. And all it is a high moisture smoothing cream. I'm not going to be styling my hair tonight, but I wanted to make sure that I sealed in all the moisture that I achieved from the mask, and using this cream is going to ensure that. Alright you all, so this is the final product. My hair is so soft and so moisturized, and again all I used was this one product. The mayonnaise mask as well as a deep conditioning treatment really did wonders for my hair. You will thank me later, I promise you. Go and try it. That is it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.